partway through building this. It's like the sunniest, well, hottest day of 2016 pretty much. Done all the grey track, that was reasonably quick. All the way to here. The blue connector ready. I'm going to put the track along here, around here, and this is where I am at the moment. And this is all the blue track. Blue track is a lot more difficult to make. Got the Hogwarts Express on, so I'll just demonstrate so far. I haven't tried it with the carriage yet, so first time. And I'll actually put the GoPro on top of the, well, on the train carriage. I'll put it on the train carriage later. Now we're going to have to go in reverse. It's difficult to get like a constant speed, and that doesn't make it fall off, because going uphill is too slow and then going downhill is too fast. And yeah, and the grey track's more reliable for the train to go on as well, rather than the blue tracks. A bit harder. Yeah, this is the first time I've ever done this, so this train's not the most grip. Train with the most grip. Oh my, that's a bit too quick. Yeah, it's gonna be difficult to get it to go perfectly. I don't know which train is the best, because I just tried that on new white train, but that's not the best because it's got a big front end, which means that like if there's any bumps in the track, it makes a loud noise, like a click, from like knocking the front into the ground. Okay, that's it. Anyway, that's GoPro Hero 4 Silver with just a Lego built up, and it's on top of the Lego high-speed train that I just got. I'll be doing a review shortly, maybe. That's been just had basically bricks taken off it and then a few bricks added on, and because the GoPro is not exactly the exact dimensions for Lego, I've put some paper, happened to be Lego minifigure booklets,